go.
Okay, this is Adam and Daeyeon's chapter. Alright, yo, push on the door. Push on the doorknob. Push on the doorknob.
I can't reach the doorknob.
Why not?
Because I ain't fucking long enough.
Oh my god.
Getting shivering like a fucking penguin in the North Pole.
Alright, dude, okay.
Why is the shower door open? Yo, when he goes to Corvette, I can't feel my body.
Oh, the shower door's broken?
Yeah.
Oh, nigga, you got more problems than that.
Close the door.
No, you know what? I'm gonna come rescue you. Hold up.
I got it.
He's my best friend. I got to save him.
I got it. No, wait, I'll make it.
Do it. Do it.
Can you see him?
Can you see him?
Good plan.
You have 3 seconds left.
Shower, nigga. I'm out. Okay.
Alright, just push the knob then so I can tighten this bitch.
So you can do what?
So I can tighten it.
Just open the door.
Push the knob.
Alright, hold up. Shit.
What if I put this under the door? Can I see him?
Damn.
Alright, hold up. Hold it there.
I don't see your toes. Step in front of the door.
I am in front of the door.
Right in front of the door.
Why?
I want to see your toes.
I am in front of the fucking door.
I ain't gonna lie, dog. I can't get this shit back in.
Dude.
Hold up.
No.
Push.
This is real fucked up, Agnes.
Alright, push it in.
Alright, I am.
That's what she said.
It's in, dog, I swear.